Hi church leaders, this is Ellie with PastorsLine. We're excited to introduce a game-changing update that will make your experience smoother than ever. Over the years, PastorsLine has grown to serve churches of all sizes, but we have heard your feedback. Sometimes all of those features can feel overwhelming. That's why we're thrilled to introduce our new customization feature. First, you can now customize your menus. You can personalize both the main menu at the top and the bottom menu. To get started, click Customize or find it under Preferences in your profile menu. You'll see checkboxes for various options. Simply check or uncheck to show or hide items from your view. Don't worry, hidden items aren't gone forever. They'll move to a More menu, keeping them accessible but out of the way. You can now streamline your filters panel. Click on a main panel item like voice or text and you'll see options you can customize. Just click on any item to move it to a hidden section below. It's that easy. Let's break down the benefits. This update helps reduce overwhelming options, improves efficiency, and makes onboarding easier. This feature makes PastorsLine more user-friendly and efficient for churches of all sizes and tech levels. We encourage you to explore these new options and find the perfect setup for your church. Try out this new feature today to better customize your workflow.